is a born-in-the-cloud service provider, founded by two IT engineers who have been at the bleeding edge of virtualization since its inception. After decades of seeing great sales pitches fall short, they recognized that traditional IT solutions failed to meet businesses' evolving needs. The founders understood that we were entering an era where everything as a service would change the IT landscape and the way the companies do business. So, 5 years ago, with millions of dollars in technology backing, the founders formed IT Vortex. And they never looked back. IT Vortex provides corporations with a better and more comprehensive IT solution, utilizing tried and true hardware and software from Dell EMC, VMware, FORTINET, Microsoft, and Mitel. IT Vortex offers a suite of as-a-service offerings at a competitive price. The future of the cloud is undeniable. 90% of companies are already utilizing the cloud in some capacity. Last year, 45% of workloads were hosted on the cloud, and that number is expected to grow to 83% by 2020. Companies around the globe are increasingly turning to the cloud to reduce operational costs and increase efficiency. And you don't need to be a tech giant to get in on the action. Companies of all market sizes and verticals benefit from the cloud. IT Vortex serves a wide range of clients from small and medium businesses to Fortune 500 companies. If you're looking to undergo a digital transformation, the time is now. It is predicted that in 10 years, every business will operate from the cloud.
My favorite thing with IT Vortex is the communication. IT Vortex took over all of our telephone systems as well as helping with the internet VPNs and everything in between. They find issues before I find them. It was impeccable the way that they did it.
At IT Vortex, we don't take a one-size-fits-all approach to IT solutions. We offer a comprehensive suite of as-a-service offerings to meet the needs of your business. Our unique portfolio allows for a prescriptive solution that will fit the particular challenges you may face in the tech world. And the more services you host with us, the more you save. Whether you are looking for infrastructure as a service, security as a service, disaster recovery as a service, or unified communications as a service, IT Vortex has you covered. Let's look at each of our services in detail. Infrastructure as a Service, or IaaS, is the fastest growing cloud service, and it's the core of IT Vortex's offerings. For companies trying to innovate and evolve while cutting costs, IaaS is the perfect solution. You pay only for what you need, when you need it. Migrating to the IT Vortex cloud can reduce the cost of managing and maintaining your hardware and systems, and our free migration services ensure a seamless transition. The benefits of IaaS are numerous. Let's look at a few. Cost savings. Low infrastructure cost is perhaps this biggest benefit to IaaS. You don't have the cost of maintaining or replacing hardware and network equipment, and you don't have the added pressure of ensuring uptime. Scalability and flexibility. Our pay-as-you-go model means you don't have to pay for greater capacity to account for business spikes or growth. On-demand scalability means we grow with you. Faster time to market. To stay competitive and grow your businesses, you need to get to market quickly and efficiently. Because the IT Vortex Cloud is flexible and scalable, businesses can ramp up and get products or services to market faster than ever before. Support for disaster recovery and backup. Disaster recovery plans are an essential part of business, but those plans are often expensive and difficult to execute. Adopting IaaS means you're already set up for a minimal downtime and easy access to your data. Business growth. By migrating to the IT Vortex Cloud, you can focus your time and resources on evolving and growing your business, rather than maintaining your infrastructure.
We did not wind up buying any new server equipment or storage. We redid our entire network infrastructure, changed out internet services, and they handled a great deal of that. They were great to deal with. From minute one, they ran with the project way faster than we actually anticipated it going. We expected that it was going to take months and months of a transition. They were flawless with what they did.
If desktops are a pain point for your company, IT Vortex Desktop Hosting, or DAAS, will change the way you do business. DAAS can eliminate hardware issues, lost or stolen assets, complex equipment maintenance, and software licensing problems. Plus, you and your team have access from anywhere, at any time. With cloud-hosted desktops, you enjoy no upfront costs and lower maintenance costs. You eliminate upfront desktop costs with our pay-as-you-go model. And because you don't have to purchase and maintain desktops for everyone in your company, you save on maintenance costs too. Accessibility and scalability. With desktop hosting, you and your team can work from the office, home, or on the road. You can securely log into your desktop from any computer with internet access, and the number of computers you add to the system is virtually unlimited. Security and compliance. Hosted desktops run on dedicated servers that are exclusive to your company, and all communications are encrypted. This security and protection increases your compliance. Energy efficiency. Desktop hosting significantly reduces energy usage and associated costs. Multi-geography and increased productivity. The ability to work remotely, from home or at a client's site, increases productivity. IT Vortex has several data centers throughout the country to ensure remote access, and when and where you need it.
One of the big things that we use is the virtual desktop system, so that everything that is on our computers at the office here is also on our computers and phones anywhere in the world, because we have offices everywhere.
You probably have a disaster recovery plan in place, but on-premise recovery plans are often costly and difficult to implement, and every minute of downtime affects your business. IT Vortex specializes in helping companies protect their technology assets and data in the event of a natural or technological disaster. With disaster recovery and backup services, or DAAS, you're prepared when disaster strikes. IT Vortex works closely with your business and technology team to craft a comprehensive plan that allows you to quickly recover and return to business as usual. With disaster recovery and backup services, you get peace of mind knowing your data is safe. But the benefits don't end there. You'll also see increased speed and enhanced reliability. DAAS offers a quicker and more reliable recovery than traditional on-site approaches. Lower cost. If your business has an on-premise disaster recovery plan, you face additional infrastructure and capital expenses than you do with IT Vortex. Adopting DAAS as a standalone service, or as a complementary service to IaaS, will reduce costs. Improved administration. The administrative burden of managing a DR means your IT department is allocating time and manpower to something that can be better handled off-site. With IT Vortex's disaster recovery and backup services, your IT team can focus on tasks that provide greater business value. Seamless redundancy and scalability. Your data is stored in multiple places, meaning there is no single point of failure. And since DAAS is in the cloud, it can be scaled on demand.
Update the latest firmware on my hardware, because that is all controlled by IT Vortex. I don't have to worry about end of service life on my hardware, which, by the way, replacement is extremely costly. I don't have to worry about support licenses anymore on all of our hardware. IT Vortex takes care of all of that.
Real-time communication is critical for businesses to stay competitive. With our unified communication service, you'll never miss a call, message, or email again. Whether you're sitting at your desk, working from home, or you're out on the road, your communications are always with you. From simple voice-over IP phone systems and voicemail to more complex call centers with automated routing, queue positioning, voice recognition, and quality assurance, IT Vortex has a solution that will fit your needs and budget. With our unified communications, you can change the way you communicate and collaborate. Some of the benefits of adopting cloud communications include streamlined communication and increased productivity. With unified communications, you can operate with all hands on deck, all the time. Real-time access to calls, data, messages, and emails allow your team to stay on task. Communications move with you. You don't have to be in the office for a conference call or meeting. Connect with anyone, anywhere, at any time. Superior reliability. Missed messages or calls are a thing of the past. Our UC systems are designed to ensure superior reliability so you can make critical business decisions in the moment. Transformative collaboration. Team members and stakeholders can collaborate from any location, at any hour, giving teamwork a whole new meaning. Cost savings. Eliminate hardware and maintenance costs, and free up IT resources by moving your communications to the cloud.
When we have our sales reps go out to potential customers and be able to answer phone calls on the fly as if they were at their desk, and just that alone is great, and them being able to do this overseas saves us a ton of money.
There is probably nothing more important than the security of your data, and no single layer of security can protect your entire enterprise. That's why IT Vortex has developed a near bulletproof solution that balances performance with security. We combine the best hardware and software platforms at both the hypervisor and physical layers to create a comprehensive security solution. Our security portfolio includes hardware and software-based firewalls, switches, wireless access points, spam firewalls, desktop and server antivirus with machine learning, microsegmentation for east and west traffic, and more. Each of these systems work together with our 24/7 monitoring software to form a hardened and impenetrable perimeter around your assets. Having the entire private cloud located in a Tier 4 data center completes the picture with the utmost in physical security. On top of knowing your data is safe, Security as a Service also provides cost savings. Traditional security protocol requires hardware and software purchases, licensing, and skilled cybersecurity professionals. With IT Vortex's security service, you don't have to worry about the capital costs and maintenance expenses that come with keeping your data safe. Security updates. Network threats aren't static. They are constantly evolving as individuals develop new methods to breach security measures. As a result, applications and software need regular updates to prevent potential attacks. With IT Vortex, updates are installed as soon as they are available to ensure the security of your data. Response time. Every second is critical when it comes to identifying and neutralizing a security threat. The longer it takes, the more damage is sustained. Traditional security measures have slower response times than cloud-based security frameworks. Around-the-clock monitoring means IT Vortex can quickly respond to security threats. Skilled personnel. Finding and employing a skilled cybersecurity specialist is becoming more and more difficult for businesses. There is currently a severe shortage of professionals, and it is only expected to get worse in the coming years. IT Vortex has a team of highly skilled IT professionals to ensure your safety. Compliance. Our data centers are SOC 1, SOC 2, HIPAA, and PCI DSS compliant, and our cutting-edge network virtualization software can set up policy management from east to west or north to south to ensure compliance, microsegmentation, and machine firewalling.
Before my users start complaining, I'll get either a text message or a phone call that'll say, we see a bunch of latency on the server. Are you guys doing anything? Or we see that your phones something is up with the phone system. Are you having issues? And they see it and they fix it really quickly.
Our data is in a secure facility, and there is basically zero chance of us losing our data.
Security has to be perfect, and IT Vortex supplies that. And so we can send people's tax returns and their bank statements without feeling nervousness about doing it. IT Vortex makes me feel like I have a technical bodyguard.
At IT Vortex, we take pride in doing things differently. Unlike other companies, we don't white label or outsource our services. We built our cloud platform from the ground up for resiliency, agility, and scalability. And we don't have hidden fees. With IT Vortex, day one pricing is year one pricing.
We're saving basically what we're paying IT Vortex monthly. We're saving on the back end with what we are not doing anymore with those services.
We have some of the best tech support relationships in the industry with instant access to top-tier talent from VMware, Dell EMC, and FORTINET. This allows us to proactively prevent problems and to mitigate them instantly if they do occur.
They're available 24 hours a day. And we've had glitches in the middle of the night, and IT is right there, texting, emailing on top of it. They enable us to move and do business at the speed that we need to without having any setbacks.
We also employ the best and brightest minds in IT. With unparalleled industry expertise and decades of experience, IT Vortex has the talent, technology, and resources to make your migration a success.
I actually recommend them all the time. I have no issues recommending IT Vortex to anybody. They have gone above and beyond to help us with everything that we've needed from them, and I tell everybody that would listen that they are the best ones to go with.
They're very knowledgeable. No matter what IT issue you have, they seem to know about it, and like I said previously, they offer low-cost solutions to your IT issues.
As an end-to-end service provider, we will work with you from theory, implementation, and migration all the way through to lifecycle management. We simplify IT and protect your assets so you can grow and evolve your business. IT Vortex. Simplify, protect, evolve.